Hi class, a little video about line quality. This is not the assignment. I'm just more discussing that whole idea of how you stop and start a line. So let me just sharpen my pencil here. Always keep the pencil sharp. So what I was saying in there was there's different, when we think of drawing lines, let's say you're drawing that box, okay? I'm just going to make up a box here to draw to kind of demonstrate. Typically, you're looking at the box and you think, okay, where does the corner, like where the two sides meet or whatever, where does that start? So you kind of go like, oh, it starts right here. And you start drawing it. And then you think, oh, when does it stop? And you kind of start slowing down and you start thinking, oh, it stops right there. So when you draw a line like that, if you're thinking about where the line starts and where it stops, your line gets weaker, okay, because you start wavering, you start slowing down. A better way to draw that line, again, here's the, here I'm drawing a box, there's the perspective, right? There's a box, sort of. Anyway, so in my mind I said, oh, I'm going to draw it, start here and then here, and it made a weak, kind of flaccid line. These are okay, but that's because I was just doing it quick anyway. So I don't want you to think about how you start a line and how you stop a line. I want you to think, okay, draw the boxes. So this is the sort of essence of a straight line gesture. So just draw the line. You look more at the angle, okay, of the line, the angle, not, so you're looking at the box and what's the angle of that in relationship to the horizontal or vertical marking that you have on there. And then you draw another line. So that's like the front of the box. And draw another line. That's the back of the box. Draw another line, and that's the other side. And you see what I'm doing? I'm not thinking about where I start or stop the line. I'm just going to draw a line right there, and I'll draw a line right there, and I'll draw a line right here. So the lines become more confident and describe the subject in a more interesting way. And then you just take your eraser and you erase out those over lines, or what do you want to call them, or not, whatever. So I'm not thinking about where I'm starting and stopping. I'm only thinking about that angle, the relationship. Actually, for this exercise, I don't want you using this fat black thing. I want you to use your regular pencils, but I'll detail that in the assignment. So anyway, that's just what I wanted to say. Instead of thinking about, oh, I'm going to start this line right here and end it right here, you just draw that line and then erase out around. Hope that makes sense.